buy their picks by themselves and then go get Southern Specialties. I don't know what picks Southern Specialty has to offer, but man, am I a fan of their pick selections, their profile selection, and their picks. I'm just not a fan of the way this thing tightens up. It doesn't tighten up only for the first one or the odd set. Let's do this. Yeah, no, that's gonna make it loose too. Yeah, so there's the complaint, and it's a big complaint. The tensioning system sucks for this multi-pick jackknife